Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, welcome. And if you like this channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to enable you know when next I upload videos. Okay, thank you for doing that. And for my old friends, my old subscribers, I want to say that I love you guys. Thank you so much for finding this channel interesting to subscribe to. Thank you so much. Okay guys, in today's video I want to let you know that I want to start uploading videos showing you my lifestyle. Okay, and it's going to be a journey. I want to start this journey because I have been kind of trying to better my life myself for a few months now. I have been trying to build up my fitness a little bit. I have been trying to eat healthy recently, and also want to have a space where I could talk about this, where I could tell you guys my progress along the way, still on this channel, Joy Umaba TV. After having 4 kids, to tell you the truth, I am not so comfortable how my body looks, but the good news is that I can do something about it. My body just looks the way I don't like. So guys, feel free to join me on this journey to feel happier and healthier. Remember that this channel is also about everything beautiful for women over 35. Okay, so you cannot rule out fitness in your regimen. Okay, so join me. I will be uploading new videos about my lifestyle every Tuesdays and Fridays. Okay, so subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to enable you know when I upload new videos. Okay, and thanks for joining me. Hey guys, I want to measure my hand. Twelve and a half. Okay, this is 12 and a half. So this is my tummy. Sometimes you have fine clothes to wear, especially these fine gowns. You'll not be able to wear it because of big tummy. This is 41 and a half. 41 and a half. Okay, this is the side. A belly that brings us 4 children. I was very thin before I got married. Very slim and sweet before I got married. Now, here I am. Big tummy. Look at it. Okay guys, so after putting on my body, this is what my stomach now look like. Imagine. So, if you want to package, at least this has helped tighten it a bit. But I don't like this. It still looks like a pregnant woman. Okay. So, this is what I do, guys, to keep fit and lose weight. Okay. Okay, guys. So. This video today is about fitness and weight loss. This is what I use. Guys, please, if you don't have this, don't worry. Okay? Just do your exercise until you're able to buy one. Okay. So remember, before I put on this, I didn't go putting it on my skin. I have something in before. Okay, it's healthier. So This is what I do. Okay. Now look at, see how my stomach looks. But obviously I can't wear this out because what kind of clothes will I wear that will not reveal this? It looks ugly. So this is just for gymnastic, but that one I wear inside, I can wear it out. Okay? It helps me shape my body well. And to do this, I'm going to be using this dumbbells. Okay? This is what I'm going to be using. If you don't have this, if you don't have this, don't worry, don't bother. Okay? Let me show you what you can be managing until you get one. Okay, this is an improvise. You can just use this. Fill this empty with water and use it. Okay, you don't have to bother so much for now until you're able to afford one. If you cannot afford one, you can be using this or something else. Okay, consistency is just the main thing. It doesn't matter what you use. Okay guys, today's video is about showing you how I lose weight and keep fit, having fun, okay?
I said this, I do this, I feel like you, declaring the waste of the Lord. This I do this on the Sabbath, your Moses, righteousness being restored. I said this I do this, I pray as you, and if I'm in the darkness, that's what we are the boys in the desert, you're crying, preparing the ways of the Lord. Take you, behold the Lord. Righteousness being restored. This are the things of the highest God. And falling in darkness, we are the voice in the desert, you're crying, preparing the ways of God. Someone say,
lose weight while having fun. Join me if you want. Guys, this is funny, eh? I'm having fun. Have fun. Guys, that'll be all from me today. This is really sweet. Okay, guys, I've tried it for today. Okay. And subscribe, no? Subscribe to this channel, okay? Because we'll always be having fun like this, okay? If you don't like my dance, I will improve, okay? Yes, that's all I can say, okay? There is always room for improvements, okay? Because subscribe and no help on one nigga, okay? Help your sister and subscribe, okay? Okay, have fun and bye.